Are you excited to discover new and exciting side hustles that you might not have heard of before? Whether you're looking to supplement your income, pay off some debt, or save up for a big purchase, these side hustles can be perfect for just about anyone who wants to earn extra cash on the side. And with the global recession looming just around the corner, it's not surprising to find lots and lots of side hustle videos on YouTube. However, this video will be different from the rest, because all of the side hustles that I'm going to discuss won't need any special skills or experience for you to get started. These side hustles are accessible to anyone regardless of background or education level. Whether you're a student, a full-time employee, a business owner, or a stay-at-home parent looking to earn extra money on the side, we're sure that by the end of this video, you'll have at least one new side hustle that you want to start exploring right away. So sit back, relax, and open your mind. Without further ado, here are 4 wonderful side hustles no one is talking about in 2023, but are guaranteed to earn you extra money. Number 1. Rent your parking spot. Did you know that every day a lot of people are wondering where to park their cars? Some of them are already tired of looking for a space to park their cars safely, so they are willing to pay big bucks. If you have some space available just lying around, why don't you put that to good use and earn some extra cash? One app that can help you out with that is Spacer. It connects people who are looking for a parking spot with locals or businesses that have unused garages, driveways, or any other place with the potential to become a parking spot. Spacer is like Airbnb or Turo but for parking. According to their website, you can earn around $450 per month just by renting out your empty parking space. That's equivalent to $5,400 a year. Not bad for extra side hustle money. If you want to increase your chances of booking a client for your parking spot, I suggest providing lots of good, clear photos and videos. You also need to make a good description of your location. Include what other options are nearby. Is it near a grocery, mall, or park, maybe? Make it sound worthwhile to potential renters. And finally, don't just limit yourself to listing in only one app. Try to use as many apps as possible so you can increase your chances of booking a client. I am going to list popular parking apps. Some of them may not be available in your country or location. For example, Spacer is an Australian-based company, but may only be available in Australia, Canada, and the United States. Find out which of these parking apps work in your location and list your space to as many of them as possible. Number 1. Stashbee. This is a UK-based company offering storage spaces, garages, and parking spaces for rent. You can create an account at the location and dimensions of your driveway and manage your bookings with ease. With Stashbee's online, cashless system, earning a monthly income is super easy. Number 2. Parkingform. This is an American and Canadian-based website that finds unused parking driveways and lists them on their site for anyone looking for a parking spot. Register your space and specify the times it's available for use. You can even set up your own parking rates. The site accepts all types of payment methods, so you can easily negotiate with your customers. Number 3. ParkPimp. This is an Ireland-based parking app. You list your space, choose your charges, and all payments are made through bank transfers at the end of each booking. Number 4. ParkOnMyDrive. A car park offering company that operates in the UK, USA, and Australia. Register on the site and list your space, with the option to choose your own charges and a one-time yearly fee of $25 for advertising. Number 5. Parklet. This is another UK-based marketplace for storage and parking. You can advertise your parking space for free and choose to rent it out on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Parklet pays its lenders at the end of the month and accepts multiple payment methods. Number 6. Your parking space. As a parking space owner, you can list your space for free, choose to offer hourly or monthly services, and sit back as you get notified of each booking. Your parking space handles all the payments for you, and you can earn anywhere from $50 to $500, depending on your location. Number 7. Appy Parking. This UK-based parking app offers a slick and user-friendly interface that makes it easier for users to browse parking location. If none of these parking apps work in your location, what you can do is simply do a Google search. Type in websites to rent parking spaces in, and then add your country or place where you live. Google will give you a list of parking sites or apps in your location, For example, if you live in France, here you can see there's Yes Park, Your Parking Space, Mobi Park, Parklet, One Park, Just Park, and others. Next side hustle at number 2, car flipping. It's still related to cars, but this next side hustle has a high potential to scale up. And I'm going to reveal a secret trick to make sure that you'll always end up with a profit, even before buying the car, if you try car flipping. In this side hustle, you don't have to be an expert in cars to earn a lot, but it will require some money for you to get started. However, I recommend doing this now because, as I've mentioned before, the world is in a recession, and many people would probably be getting rid of things that they don't really need. That would include cars. A lot of people are probably willing to sell their cars for a cheaper price just for a quick sale, so you have that option. Where to find cars? The best place to find underpriced cars is by checking out local car auctions in your place. You can get some good bargains through this. I would also recommend checking out underpriced cars on Facebook Marketplace. Another website is AutoTrader. Here you can find used cars, new cars, and you can even browse by brand. You can even find all sorts of vehicles, from cars to vans to bikes, motorhomes, caravans, trucks, even farm and plant trucks and machinery. Now, here's a pro tip to make sure that you will always be in profit even before purchasing your car. What you do is go to WeBuyAnyCar.com. You enter the details of the car that you are thinking of flipping. So you have to key in the model year, the make or brand, and the model. Then click Value My Car. It will then ask you what body type it is. Check the right option. In the next step, you will then be asked for other important data such as mileage, zip code, and email address. They can send the valuation to your email address, so that's important. You can leave the phone number blank because it's optional. The website then determines the value of that car, so you have an idea of how much you can sell it to retail buyers at a marked up rate and ensure that you get a profit. This is a great side hustle option that can really turn into a full-time business. Is this side hustle music to your ears? Then consider liking this video, and a sub to this channel would be wonderful. Number 3, medical courier. The next side hustle is to become a medical courier, where you will be delivering medical supplies. This has the potential to earn thousands of dollars per month, with some people even scoring contracts worth $10,000. And here's the best part. You don't need a CDL license or big, bulky trucks to get started. All you need is your trusty car and the willingness to make some deliveries. That's right, you can start delivering medical supplies and retail items to places like pharmacies, hospitals, laboratories, and doctors' offices with just your own car. And don't worry, there are no specific vehicle requirements. But full coverage insurance is a must. Now, the pay is nothing to sneeze at either. If you work hourly, you can earn $25 per hour on average. And the places to look for these job opportunities are endless. Here are some of the popular ones to help you get started. Priority Dispatch gives you the freedom to work solo and on your own time delivering medical supplies. You can earn as much as $25,000 per year working as a medical courier for Priority Dispatch. Associated Couriers specializes in the delivery of life-saving radiopharmaceuticals and medications. Here you can earn up to $14 per hour. CB Driver is another driver contract job site, but for all types of deliveries, not just medical supplies. They are constantly on the lookout for individuals with cars, SUVs, minivans, trucks, and other vehicles who can do the required deliveries nationwide. Other sites that you can go to are DiligenceUSA.com, Bungie.com, and Dispatchit.com. So, what are you waiting for? Rev up your earning potential and get behind the wheel of a lucrative side hustle. Start exploring these delivery opportunities and tell us about your experience in the comments down below. Now on to the last side hustle. Number 4, flipping online products. This is another side hustle that no one is talking about in 2023, but could truly become a lucrative income source. What you do is find a good product on AliExpress, which is a China-based online retail store. Buy the product at a much lower price and then resell it at a marked up price on online sites like Amazon or Etsy. For example, take a look at this product, which is an LED solar lawn lamp. It's sold at AliExpress for $12. You can see the exact same product on Amazon sold for more than twice the amount. Even if it's on sale at $31, it's still almost twice the amount on AliExpress. It's basically the same product. It's using similar photos. And you can see that a lot of people are buying it. Here, there are almost 550 ratings, and we know that only a small percentage of people who buy would leave a rating. Therefore, it's safe to say that thousands of people are buying this product. If the owner bought this product for $13 and sells it for $30, he has a profit of around $17 per piece. If 1,000 people bought it, his total profit is around $17,000. And that's just for this one product alone. Imagine doing the same thing and selling tens or hundreds of products. You could easily earn a six-figure income annually. What you could do is first determine which platform you want to open your store, Amazon or Etsy. Next, you should do your research and find out which products are selling very well. You can browse every category and figure out which products are popular. This could really become a full-time business venture. Who knows? This might be the side hustle calling you've been waiting for. Thank you for watching our awesome side hustlers. That's all I have for you today. There are so many other things for you to get started on and earn money. In this video, I just wanted to give you 4 choices. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more great side hustle tips and hacks. Share this video with your closest family and friends. Hope to see you in our next video.